Most people take amazing HDR photos on their Samsung Galaxy, and then they send them through social media, email, or even just open them on a PC, and suddenly they look dull, washed out, or flat. Samsung photos are saved using Display-P3, a wide gamut color space. This can show 25% more color than normal sRGB, but most Windows apps, browsers, and TVs simply ignore the color profile and display it like normal SDR, which means you are not seeing the real thing. Alright, let's take a Galaxy photo and get it on Google TV the right way. Step 1. Take your Samsung Galaxy Display-P3 JPEG photos, transfer them to your PC, and we will convert each one into a single-frame 4K HDR MKV, so your television will finally display the full HDR color and brightness they were meant to show. Step 2. Install the VxGallery HDR app for Google Television. This is a dedicated HDR photo and video viewer designed specifically for wide gamut content. We will use it not only to view the 4K HDR MKV images we just created, but also to play Samsung HDR10 Plus videos in their full BT.2020 color and dynamic range. Now on Google Television, open the VxGallery HDR app. Upload your photos and videos by going to menu Sideload Files. Open a browser so you can send files directly to the television. Once uploaded, your converted HDR MKVs will be labeled as 4K HDR. Go ahead and play one. You will notice the television immediately switches into HDR10 PQ mode. Next, try playing a video recorded on your Samsung Galaxy. If your television supports it, you will even see an HDR10 Plus logo appear on screen, and just look at it. The footage was captured in Rec.2020 color space, so it finally looks the way it should on a true HDR television. Bright, vivid, and incredibly lifelike.